Yes, so pehle women were leaders only at home, and that too, for very specific things. That they were centered, their role was centered around the family, the cooking and the how to keep the household neat and clean and good and all. But women have now stepped out. They have moved out into the larger communities where they stay. With education, they have moved up to do higher education and lead institutions and organizations. They've started participating in political field as well. And of course, we have our prime minister, who was a leader, women leader, two presidents of women leaders. So yes, we are moving ahead. That's what I could say. We are now in the world of technology where we can see what other countries and what other people are doing, what other communities are doing, and where they have reached. Apart from that, the aspirational of the women themselves has risen. So once you aspire, you can achieve anything. Everybody has the potential. It was just that was sort of hidden potential, and we need to really bring it out. I think they all are leaders. It's the way they want to shape their lives. The only thing I would say that they must do something which is relevant to them and their communities, because they must not go into the rat race. So I think relevance for themselves and their families and their communities should be at the center of whatever they're doing.
Rasvi, do you want to say anything about Bharat Dialogues, Women in Leadership?
So I think it's a good platform to celebrate the women leadership, and also to get the other people in the community know how women reach the top, the leadership roles, what challenges they face, and how they overcome them. So those can be learnings for the other people, not just women, but also the men and the other people in the society.